Hey guys, so I keep getting the same question over and over again. Can I use Vbucks in order to gift the battle pass? So the quick answer is no. And that's because you guys have to actually use real money in order to gift the battle pass. You can buy it for yourself using Vbucks, but you cannot gift it using Vbucks. So I've done many battle pass giveaways and that's how I know. So no matter if you guys are on Xbox or PlayStation, it's the same thing. The process might be a little bit different in your PlayStation and your Xbox, but at the end of the day, you're still using real money in order to gift the battle pass. So I am sorry, there's really no way around this. That's the only way you guys can gift out a battle pass. And that's just the way that Epic made it. There's nothing really we can do at this point in time. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.